Lights, camera, action.
Live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with Momar. Okay, now, brother, what part of the world did you come from?
I come from the UK, London.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what kind of things can you share your story? Like, what were you looking for? What kind of experiences have you had with the National Health Service or the insanity of the medical world? Wait, you didn't hear me say that.
Yeah. Yeah, because for many years I've been watching your videos, like YouTube and Google. I've been seeing this, and I have a very severe back problem, very painful back that nobody can cure. I've been trying many places, but the only solution they have is operation. Then I didn't want to do it, so that's why that's made me to come here. That's why I decided to come here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what have you experienced? Because I know the UK. I thought you were from Finland.
Yes, I was born in the Gambia and then moved to Finland. I was living in Finland, and then from Finland I moved to the UK.
Okay, that's just cool. I mean, because I grew up not traveling a whole bunch. I travel a bunch now, but that's a bitchin' life. You got experience of the world. So where did you? Because you've got experts telling you that you should follow this pathway, and you're deciding in your heart, no, that's not right.
Yes. Yes, because I didn't like the operation, and I don't know what is going to happen after that. Because one time I was talking with a doctor in Finland, he was telling me that if I operate it, I might operate it every year.
No.
So, and I don't like to do that. So when I went to the UK, so then they always want to try to operate it, but I refused. I decided not to do it.
So if you have an operation every year, do they suture it up with stitches, or do they put a zipper in?
Yeah, I don't know what the problem is that if I told that it is an operation of one time, you can understand that. But if I told they have to operate it many times, and if they make a single mistake, you can be paralyzed, there will be blindness. There are some risks involved. So that's why I'm scared to do it.
Okay, yeah. The reason you're scared is because you have common sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. God bless your grandma. Okay. Now, what brought you? I know you've been seeing our videos. What's been your experience like here? Because I know you've seen a lot of the medical staff, the IVs, and everything else.
Yes. People are very friendly here, and they are always willing to help, and they are very kind. That's what I noticed here. They are very nice people in here working. The nurses are excellent. The doctors are very good, definitely. They always try to help.
I've got, and you haven't been to the clinic in Huntington yet, have you?
Not yet.
Yeah, something about down here, and you guys are spoiled. I'm pointing to the camera, guys. You hug at the start of the day. You hug at the end of the day. I love that. I'd probably get in trouble if I hugged my staff in Huntington. So now, so you've had a positive experience with the staff. How are you doing?
I'm fine. After my 1 week here with Dr. Bergman, I feel that I'm getting okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Because the pain was too much, and now I don't feel any more pain.
You're giving me a lot to work with, okay? Not doing drugs, okay? You take care of yourself, you eat right. And this is for all the chiropractors out there that are corrective. You get somebody taking 9 or 10 drugs, it's a pain to heal them.
Yes.
But you started off good. And then you're getting the blood analysis and IV. Now, what could you tell someone? Because a lot of people, like you did something unique. A doctor's telling you, you need this, you're hurting like crazy, he's supposed to be the expert. What caused you to follow that voice inside that said that this doesn't make sense?
Yeah, because of what they told me, it doesn't make sense. If I thought they make a mistake, this is going to happen to me, so I don't have to do it. So I decided not to do it. Yeah.
Okay, so what could you tell anyone out there to give them the strength and courage? I mean, if you can't make it here, realize that your body is made in the image and likeness of God. It's intelligent. If you get a doctor that's only dealing with symptoms, that is not a smart doctor. If your doctor is understanding that symptoms are generally the alarm, okay, and he's going to find out why the symptoms are there, that's a good doctor.
Yes, also your video helped me a lot. That's why I decided to come all the way from here, because it's helped me a lot. Because what I learned from there make my way to be here.
God bless you, man. Thanks for having the strength and courage. And, you know, be like Momar. Be confident that your body is intelligent. Don't accept a crazy diagnosis, and your body can regenerate. Okay, and it's fun to be down here. You got to see Huntington School too.
Yeah.
But you've got, one of my instructors was Dr. Abudu, and he's got, you're saying that booming voice. You got a voice, brother, that's built for radio or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just remind me of great guy. You must come to my country, the most beautiful in the world. it was just, when you were talking, it was just like, God, I miss Dr. Abudu.
Yeah. I remember when I came the first day, you were telling me this.
Yeah, it just, I haven't seen him in 30 years, and he affected me in such a positive way. So, take care of yourself. Do you have any final words to people to get that spark going?
Yes, I think my final was going to be that that's going to be happening in London, because I'm going to tell them about this holistic care, how good it is, especially this chiropractor. I'm going to tell them everything about this place, because this is the best place, one of the best places. and I think I'll come back again.
God bless you, man. You're going to be welcome. Plus, you're a good guy. Okay, take care of yourself. Realize that your body gives symptoms for a reason. You get a doctor that's dealing with symptoms, find another one. God bless you. Yeah.